Oh yeah, this is the one where they jump.
We'll be back in about 20 minutes. Bye-bye, Thelma. See you later. Now, we here at Dollywood are known as some of the friendliest people in the Smokies, and it's up for you to have to keep in that place. So on the count of three, let's give them a big southern howdy. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Howdy! Great job, guys. See you later, girls. Coming up here on your right at the pond at Dollywood's old-fashioned gristmill. Oh, that good old taste of cinnamon for you. You definitely want to get 2 loads because I guarantee you one of those loads ain't going to make it back to that car. Sometimes 2 loads don't. Over here on our left over here, we got our conductor Megan out there, waving great. Megan, tell her we'll see her in a day or two. Bye-bye, Megan. Feed them chickens. Building over here, you're right over here in this green building. It's Dollywood's very own train shop, where a skilled engineer can rebuild an engine. Now we here at Dollywood and Pride of Klondike Stadium, we like to let her toot her own horn every now and then. Would y'all like to hear a tune on that whistle? On the count of three, we're going to tell them blow the whistle. You ready? 1, 2, 3, blow the whistle. Give them a good round of applause. Thank you, Jimmy. That's awesome. Now the Klondike Katie and Julie fans. Thank you. Thank you very much. Philip also announced that both the sea line just near a portion of the Great Smoky Mountains. You see what a curiosity call it. The place for the roof space. It was established a national park back in 1934 and is one of the most visited parks in the United States today. Now we fix to head back to the town of Dollywood. I'm going to play some music.
Now let's go find Big Bear. Hang on, we're gonna kick it into high gear. Hey, right, go, Bear left. He's bearing down, go. Let's head back to camp.
Oh my God!
We bear? I'm pretty sure that was Big Bear, but there's no way to know for sure.